Y'all, I'm back today with another video. Well, not a video. Well, I'm live today, and I'm back. So yeah, y'all, I'm back live again on the Great Poncho Show. We're here today talking about Hurricane Irma. Hurricane Irma was in Miami, Florida. I don't think it was, but it probably was. I know it was in Orlando, Florida. Probably not, but I don't know. I know it was in Tampa, Florida, and it's a lot of people probably in Florida that don't got their homes. So yeah, well, we only have 14 minutes and 13 seconds here. Every day there's like more channels that come. So I want you to hear from somebody that came on the air show. Hey, David, what was going on in Hurricane Irma? Now, as you know, y'all, before we talk to David, we're in Houston, Texas. We had that hurricane, but it wasn't a hurricane. It was like a flood. But yeah, I was at home during that. But now I'm back at the station. I didn't get to go on the station during that time. Well, we're here with David. Hi, David. Hi. What was going on in Florida? It was just a hurricane. Jose and Irma, but Jose didn't hit us yet, so we don't know when's the next hurricane that's happening. Well, y'all, it says on my phone, it says, if I can find it, it says, why my phone's going to the thing about Hurricane Joe's. Okay. Oh, it says 6 people in South Florida nursing home die. Continues to recover from Irma. There are some trees. Okay, it says an hour ago this happened. An hour ago. It says As of Tuesday, September 12th, millions of Florida residents were still without power and waking of Hurricane Irma. So y'all, waking of Hurricane Irma? Okay, here's a look at the areas hit hardest by outrages. Wow. This is all about Hurricane Irma. It's like a whole little 15, 20 paragraphs like you gotta do in school. I know I couldn't come yesterday to talk about this because I was kind of late to get to the air show. So, yeah, this is everything about it. This is, okay, I already said that. And, at least 6 dead after Florida nursing home left with no AC from Irma. So 6 people that's dead. The funerals are probably today. And it says, I told you my phone is kind of loading. Oh yeah, for this, it says Kevin Owens busted 72-old man Vinus Matt Heenan head open. So he busted a 72-year-old man's head open. Wow. Can't believe that. So, and then did you hear about the man during Hurricane Irma went into a shoe store because the shoe store was open. It was locked down. They broke into it, went in there, stole 15 pairs or something like that of shoes, and the camera's still working. They probably thinking, oh, no power, camera not working. There's some type of way that they have the cameras working. They probably at home have the cameras connected to their little TV or phone, but it's probably no look like cable, something like that. Probably wasn't no cable. Well, some people probably had cable, like on the west side, but all the sides probably didn't have no cable. So yeah, then it says, yeah. So some people probably on the, I know, south side, east, north, probably west too. They had no cable in Florida with Hurricane Irma and Hurricane Jose. Okay, I'm looking it up right now. Hurricane Jose. I want to know when that's coming. Oh, Hurricane. Oh, there's a Hurricane Jose is happening right now. They uploaded this on CNN News 2 hours ago. Hurricane Jose looping path may bring back towards Bahamas, and U.S. Not us, not the United States of America, not us. If anyone is in Florida, Tampa, Florida, Orlando, Miami, anywhere else, Houston, Texas, Dallas, Texas, anywhere like that, we're sorry that Houston, Texas had a flood. Probably Dallas too, but I don't know for sure about Dallas. I know Hurricane Jones is heading towards Bahamas, and here's what. Oh, this is what you should know. 3 hours ago, Fox News, Joe's tracks. They're tracking it down right now. Hurricane Jose. I said, why keep saying Joe's, y'all? It's a habit I had Joe's in me. It says, Hurricane Jose paths. What you should know. So yeah, it says, what should you know? Give me some ideas. Oh, it says, first there was Harvey. Next came Irma, followed later by Kathy. Now, in the middle of Atlantic Ocean, Hurricane Jose is waiting. So y'all, it's hurricanes that is waiting to do that. There's so many hurricanes that's waiting. Hurricane Jose